Hey guys, it's Wild Slimes, aka the Wild Slime Store, and today I'm reviewing two small slime shops. They both sent me these slimes for the purpose of reviewing, but I will still be giving them my honest opinion. First up, we have three slimes from Puffin Slimery, and I think their packaging is so cute but simple, and the first one is called Oreo Cream. It's a super thick and creamy white slime with little black glitters and foam, and I think this looks just like Oreos. It smells just like chocolate frosting, and this is the best chocolate scent I've ever smelled. It's also just so stretchy yet thick and glossy. This is probably my favorite slime out of the whole review. Next slime is Grape Candy, and this is a deep purple slime with grape Fimo slices. It's so clicky and pretty to look at, and it smells just like a grape Jolly Rancher. I don't even like grape candies, but I still love this scent. I feel like all of Puffin Slimery's products have like the best pokes and bubble pops, and their scents are just so mouth-watering. So the third slime from Puffin Slimery is Cotton Candy Milk, and it's a clicky and thin base with pastel foam beads. It's such a cute and aesthetic slime, and it makes really good pokes, but it's also crunchy and makes good bubble pops. It smells like some sort of like fruity dessert, but I can't really put my finger on it, and it's just a really nice scent, and I feel like there's something in the slime for everyone. So everyone, make sure to check out Puffin Slimery's shop. I literally have nothing bad to say about them. I love the slime so much, so yeah, link down below. This slime is Hana from Hawaiian Slimes by Hana, and I think I'm saying the name right, but correct me if I'm wrong. And with this slime, you get to mix a red foam with a black butter slime, and I think this is just so fun, and I love the end texture. It's a crunchy yet sizzly slime, and it's just so soft and stretchy. The only downside to the texture is that the foam beads occasionally fall out, but not too much, so it's not a big problem. And it has a strong floral scent because Mana means mountain, and I feel like that's the inspiration. And I definitely recommend this slime as well as their shop as a whole. Their slime shop is just so new, and I think the slimes look really good. So yeah, link in the description as well. And I will also link their Instagram because they have that too. All in all, I feel like their shop is super new and super high quality for being new, and I definitely recommend that all of you head over to their shop now. Link in the description, and these are all the extras she sent me. Sent borax with instructions, and then just a care card, and then also just obviously the slime, bubble wrap, and candies, and this little toy. I mean, just look at all these slimes that they have. So yeah, again, link in the description. And I will also link my Instagram and my shop down below too. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!